Hi, it's me again. It's Kirsten Sulab Yalo. It's part 2. Part 2 na ng celebration. Okay.
Part 2?
Ayan. Dumating na ang aming pinaka-aasam-asam na pizza. And here's Roxanne to open it. Yeah. Let's do it.
Hand up.
Tanan! Tanan!
Wow!
Wow! The pizza!
So, many pizza is hot eh.
Oh my gosh! It's
Yeah!
It's dikit-dikit!
So many cheese.
Yeah! Ang sarap! Okay. Let's prepare this so that we can eat it. Yeah. Get one and pass the joke.
Get one and pass. Cool.
Yeah, sige. Kain na tayo. Sige. Sila muna una, syempre.
Muna.
Ikaw na muna. Sige, ikaw na. The best ka eh.
Go.
Get one and pass.
Get one and pass.
Ayan.
Pinakahihintay.
Oh my gosh, naglalaway na ako.
Kumain ka na. Kailangan naman ka chip.
Oh my! Sarap nito. May nahulog.
Ay, ang dami.
Tsaka nalaglag ako sa kakain. It's for me.
For me.
So, masarap. Ma? Bumili ka!
Para mas, lagyan ng hot sauce.
Oo, lagyan ng hot sauce kailangan. Pero, sa'yo na. Diba?
Hot sauce, ayaw mo rin naman eh.
Paano ba naman pinakalagyan ni anak ka sa akin dati? Giba na!
Baka matapang.
Oops! Pwede na! Ayan, may hot sauce. Talagyan nila eh. Yan sila.
Roxanne, PJ.
And the part 2 of our movie, Lion King. Diba cartoons naman ngayon? Tapos, tingnan nyo ang aming ice cream. Melt na melt. Meltdown ice cream. O, diba? Ayan. Habang nag-enjoy silang kumakain dyan, wala ba kayong masasabi dahil sa sarap ng kinakain nyo?
Sarap na eh. This is also.
Okay, here's Jamie for her message.
Hi, all. Hi, all.
How about you?
Not us.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Ang sabi?
Hindi maanghang. Not spicy.
Yun.
Ito may likatex na. Galing mag-keso. Hey.
We're really enjoying this. So, okay na. Gusto mo?
Bili tayo.
Yung pizza. It's Hawaiian flavored pizza.
Mukha bang Hawaiian?
Common sense? Naka-uniform na po sila kasi later on papasok kami sa school. Ako, di pa ako naka-uniform kasi mamaya pa ako mag-uniform. Yeah. O, diba?
Daming cheese na.
Wala ba kayo masasabi? Speechless? Sobrang sarap?
Sobrang saya. Sayap.
Pinaghalong sara at saya. Ah? Sara,
I don't
sarap
remember
at
my
saya?
name because of the pizza. Kailangan ko itutok. Hindi. Harap, no? Ngayon lang po na-experience si Roxanne yung kumain ng chips. Masarap.
Bukas lang ako.
Hindi ah. Ang dugla! Hello po si Casey. Adik.
Hey! Stop it!
Let me. I'll give some to my brother. Oh, yes.
The pizza's so good.
How is it go?
Sana, ano
I-judge mo 1 to 100%. Ikaw. Delicious. I said, how many percent? 100. There, 101.
So yummy. You really need to buy this thing. Because you're really going to enjoy it.
Mutot.
So yummy.
I also said that the ketchup is mutot. You hear
This
that?
ketchup? It's a hot sauce.
Hindi ah.
O kaya?
Hindi.
Oh?
Bigyan niyo yung kulay.
Ito nga.
Tas hot sauce.
Hindi nga, ano to?
Ketchup. Because it's not. Oh,
You want? You buy.
happy first anniversary, Roxanne.
Ulit-ulit, di ba? Siyempre. First yan eh. Very first. Kaya, let's wait for the second next year. Okay? Don't go. Just stay. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Try na. Hindi pa.